From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. Ah, Greece, the land of philosophers, gods, beaches, and that sauce you can't pronounce but can't stop eating. Tzatziki. Yeah, I'm talking about that creamy, garlicky, tangy goodness that somehow makes a pile of cucumbers taste like the nectar of Mount Olympus. But before we dive into the dip, let's take a quick trip through time. Greek style. Now picture it, ancient Greece. Sun blazing, tunics flowing, philosophers arguing about the meaning of life while trying not to trip on their sandals. This is where it all began. The Greeks were busy inventing democracy, the Olympics, and geometry, which, let's be honest, we've all regretted learning at some point. But they were also inventing food that would stand the test of time. And among all those culinary gifts, tzatziki stands tall. Well, maybe chilled is a better word. You see, tzatziki wasn't born out of a fancy chef's kitchen. It came from the simple idea of mixing what you've got and making it taste like heaven. Yogurt, garlic, cucumber, olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of dill or mint. Boom, instant legend. It's the sauce that says, I'm fresh, I'm tangy, and I go with literally everything. Now here's the twist. Tzatziki didn't appear out of thin air. Its roots go deep into ancient Greek and Middle Eastern traditions. Back in the day when Greek soldiers and traders were traveling all over, they borrowed and blended ideas from Persian and Ottoman cuisines. In Persia, there was a dish called mast okiar, which means yogurt with cucumber. Sound familiar? Yep, our tzatziki is basically the Greek remix. The Greeks just took it, added their magic olive oil, garlic, and herbs, and boom, the hit single Tzatziki topped the Mediterranean charts for the next 2,000 years. Fast forward to modern Greece, and tzatziki has become a national treasure. It's the secret weapon in every Greek kitchen, ready to transform a meal from meh to opa in seconds. You'll find it alongside grilled lamb, gyros, souvlaki, pita bread, or honestly, just a spoon, because no one's judging you in Greece. And if you've ever been to a Greek restaurant in America, you know the battle cry. Extra tzatziki, please. It's the sauce that brings peace between nations, or at least between the pita and the gyro. Now here's a fun fact. Tzatziki isn't just delicious, it's ancient Greek science in action. Yogurt brings probiotics, cucumber cools you down in that Mediterranean heat, and garlic, well, it keeps the bad vibes, and maybe vampires, away. Hippocrates himself, the father of medicine, wrote about garlic's health benefits. The man probably didn't know it would one day end up in a dip served next to fries. But hey, progress. Of course, no Greek story is complete without a little mythology. Some say if Zeus himself threw a dinner party on Mount Olympus, he'd serve tzatziki with ambrosia, because even gods know a good dip when they see one. And speaking of divine flavor, tzatziki has gone global. From New York food trucks to fancy Mediterranean restaurants, it's everywhere. You'll even see people trying to make their own version, Greek yogurt here, coconut yogurt there. But let's be real, nothing beats the real Greek deal. The kind that makes you close your eyes, take a bite, and suddenly you're hearing bouzouki music and yelling, "Ope!" at your cat. So, next time you dip that pita or smother your gyro, remember, you're not just eating a sauce. You're tasting thousands of years of history, tradition, and Greek culinary genius. A recipe so perfect, it survived empires, wars, and the invention of fast food. That's right, tzatziki walked so ranch dressing could run. All right, I can see you're already craving it. So for the full recipe, the link is in the description. Grab your yogurt, your cucumber, and your inner philosopher, and let's make some history in your kitchen. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because Zeus knows you don't want to miss what we're cooking next.